Hello everyone, welcome to one of Oracle SQL tutorial. So today we are going to talk about working with dates. So let's get started. Working with dates. The Oracle database stores dates in an internal numeric format: century, year, month, day, hours, minutes, and seconds. The default date display format is DD MONRR. You can also Google it and search it in the Google what's the RR and YY format in the Oracle dates. Enables you to store 21st century dates in the 20th century by specifying only the last two digits of the year. Enable you to store 20th century dates in the 21st century in the same way. Example, select last name hire date from employees where hire date lists in 1st February 2008. So let's see this example. This is the example. Select last name hire date from employees where hire date lists in 1st February 2008. So here you go. So these are the employees whose hire date is lists in 2008, 2005, 2003, 2001, 2006. So 2007. Using the sysdate function. Why we are using sysdate function? Sysdate is a function that returns date and time. So here's the example. Select state from DAL. DAL is on the table. So you can see today exactly the date is February 11, 2023, as you can see in my computer. So here sysdate exactly shows the current date, today's date. Using the current date and current timestamp functions, current date returns the current date from the user session. Select session time soon current date from DAO. Let's say example. So my session, I told you like current date returns the current date from the user session. So I'm the user and my session. For example, I'm in the United States. It shows America, Chicago, and the date is 11 February 2023. So exactly, the date shows on my computer is February 11, 2023. So this is my user session date. So current date shows the user session. Current timestamps returns the current date and time from the user session. So this one returns the current date and time from the user session current timestamps. Let's see the example. As you can see, the current date only was showing the date, but not the time. But here, current timestamps not only showing the date, but it also shows the times. So in my computer, you can see the time 8:14 p.m. So it shows 8:14. So it shows date and times. Using arithmetic operator with dates, select last name, sysdate minus hire date, and divide by 7 as weeks from employees where department ID is 90. Let's see the example. Select last name, sysdate. As you can see, sysdate minus hire date. What does it mean? Sysdate is today's date. Hire date is the employee date when he joined the company. So for example, King is we divide it into weeks. For example, sysdate minus hire date divided by 7. We means how many weeks the king has worked in a company. This is the weeks result. 1025 weeks he has been working in this company. So this will show us as a week's result. So this is the arithmetic. We have used the division arithmetic operation with the dates. Date manipulation functions. Function result. Months between. If you use months between, so it shows number of months between two dates. Add months, add calendar months to date. Next day, weekday of the date specified. Last day of the month. Round date. Trunk dates. Using date functions, months between 1st September 2005, 11 January 2004. So how many months is from this date to this date? So totally is 19 months. From 2005 to 2004, September to January is like 19 months. So if you want to calculate the between two dates, the months, so use months between. Add months 31st January 2004 and 1. So what does it means? So it is going to be 29 February 2004. January and the next month is February. So you add a month. If you put 2 here, it's going to be January, February, March. The result will be March. So here you are adding months. So if you put 1 here, it means like you added 1 month more to January. So it's going to be February. If you add 2 here, it's going to be March. Next day, 1st September 2005, Friday. What is the next day of that? So it's going to be 8 September 2005. So 1st September and the Friday is going to be 8th September. So today is next date. Whatever is today and the next Friday will be at September 2005. Last day, 1st September 2005 is going to be 28 February 2005. So so it means like the last day of February is 28. If you use last day, whatever the first February is going to be changed to the 28 because you said the last day of the February. The last day of February is 28. Using round and trunk function with dates. Round sysdate months. So it's the result would be 1st August 2003. Round sysdate year is going to be 1st January 2005 2004. Trunk sysdate month is going to be 1st July 2003. Trunk sysdate and year is going to be 1st January 2003. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also please write your comments and feedback so in order to make more progress in the next videos. Your feedback and comments are most welcome. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.